When I think about real-time data we heard about this morning, together with connected field workflows, together with a system of record for your assets, I start to think about digital twin. Digital twins are emerging across all the markets we support, from smart cities to intelligent utilities to digital buildings. And in the energy space, we see it in digital oil fields, subsea remote operations, intelligent refineries, and many more. Digital twins can be almost of anything, any asset or process that you can model, interact with, and visualize digitally. I believe location is critical to just about every digital twin. Because if you're going to truly replicate the real world conditions that you're trying to model with your twin, you're going to need to model and interact with the world around it. Whether it's how hot weather is affecting your LNG plant performance, or how maintenance crews are moving across the field while certain work is going on, or even products moving across your supply chain. Location matters, and the analytics you need along location help feed your digital twin and make your experience that much better. We see several technology trends that are helping to drive these twin efforts. First, it's more and more satellites. They're going up faster than ever before. Before, a single rocket would carry up a single satellite, which took years to plan and millions to build. This latest SpaceX mission launched 60 small sats just a few weeks ago on one rocket. So many satellites up there, so many new sensors being deployed. We also see a massive increase in drone deployments. High-res data collection, new sensoring type. You can get LiDAR on your drone now and get sub-centimeter type measurements. This is producing so much more data. The new sensors and the changing regulations are just allowing this to rapidly expand. This increasing volume in data is driving more requirements for that cloud-native architecture. To be able to efficiently manage that much data and economically store it and process it and analyze it, you're using cloud-native architectures to meet that need. And when you get that much data, all of a sudden AI and ML becomes way more tempting because you need to be able to process and work through that data with a computer to really gain the insights. If you throw in IoT and edge compute capabilities, you throw in all the foundational layers, both 2D and 3D that you already have, you're really starting to move towards a digital twin, but that data is coming from all of these different sources. We need to be able to pull that together for you. And one area that we think is really important to do that is imagery. So Esri is a truly comprehensive imagery system. We've added several new tools over the past several years, and we basically have everything you need to support all the content you may come across from different sensors, different acquisition formats, different platforms, different modalities. You can combine all these together with third-party data, partner data, Living Atlas data, and produce services to meet your business need that can be consumed in any application stack. Your internal content, you manage that inside the image management tools. You serve that out as services. It feeds your map production needs. It feeds your analytic needs. And it also allows you to exploit that data and really drive more insights and gain more information from your imagery portfolio. ArcGIS is a comprehensive imagery and remote sensing platform. And we do provide end-to-end workflows from the drones in the field to your AI ML workflows on the resulting data sets. To support all of this imagery space, we have to support many more formats. We have 150 plus formats now, 75 plus raster types, and support, again, for just about any platform or modality you can imagine. All this together with partners like FME, I think it would be quite difficult to find a format you can't get to with this platform. Probably a key one to zero in on is drones. We've talked about it earlier. You heard it from Jeff. Several customers are asking, how do we manage all this information we're starting to collect with our drone campaigns? And for that, Esri has actually brought two products to market. As you scale up these capabilities, you start flying more drones, the data processing, the analytics, the archiving of the data, it becomes quite a sizable task. Flight planning, the production of the consumable services, it's a tremendous amount of effort. So on the desktop, we've had drone to map out there for quite some time. A pretty simple workflow to process your imagery, create your consumable services, manage your flight plans. It's a powerful tool. But we've heard customers tell us they literally have dozens and dozens of drones now and many pilots, and they're collecting data on a daily basis. To scale up to that size, we've introduced a new product called Sitescan for ArcGIS. This is a team that joined Esri last year, and Sitescan provides an end-to-end cloud-based or SaaS workflow for integrating perhaps the largest of drone programs into your regular operations. Sitescan allows you to manage everything end-to-end, from your equipment itself and your pilots to the data and planning to producing the 2D and 3D services that are going to come off of that data. It all happens in the cloud, and it all results in services that you can use almost immediately in ArcGIS Pro or Esri Online or any other tools that can consume those map services. Really exciting product for a very fast-growing part of our business.